Hello everyone, this is Mike with OverOps Engineering. I just wanted to spend a moment to show you a few things we've been working on. With the increase of development velocity, software quality is suffering, and it is leading to critical software issues being promoted into production. With the power of GitLab, along with continuous reliability from OverOps, customers are able to identify and prevent critical software issues from escaping into production. In the event that this does happen, all the context will be provided to quickly resolve the issue by the most appropriate engineer before the customer is impacted. Over the next few minutes, I'll show you two things. First, by leveraging GitLab CI with an OverOps quality report, how critical software issues are identified and prevented from reaching production. And second, I will show you all the context that is surfaced so the issue can be resolved quickly. So let's jump right in. Here we are in GitLab looking at a source repository with all of our code checked in. This repository has a pipeline defined with the typical build and test phases, but also adds an OverOps phase. Unlike static code analysis, the OverOps phase discovers issues deep within the running application when it is stressed with user simulation and automation. In this case, we can see that the OverOps phase has failed, and as such has failed the pipeline in GitLab, preventing the code from being published and ultimately from being pushed to production. To find out what was discovered, a build artifact called a quality report is attached to each execution of the pipeline. I've downloaded the report, so let's take a look. First, you can see that OverOps can identify a variety of issue types. Let's take a look at this one. We can see that this was first introduced in this build, and that was seen 14 times. Now let's drill into the root cause to look at the rich context provided by OverOps. Here you can see a timeline for when the event occurred along with the relevant portion of the stack trace. In this case, we can see all of the recorded variables for each frame or method invocation in the stack. This information gives complete insight into the state of the application so that the issue can be resolved quickly. By integrating with GitLab, we're able to show the actual source code as pulled live from the source repository. In addition, by using GitLab's blame capability, we're able to turn on source annotations to see who committed the code and when it was introduced. We can click on a particular line of interest and drill into the commit as seen in GitLab. We are now able to paint a complete picture to enable engineers to quickly resolve critical software issues. And with that, you've seen that with GitLab and OverOps, software can be delivered at speed without sacrificing quality. You saw the quality report so that critical software issues can be identified and how OverOps can fail a quality gate to prevent code from being promoted. You saw the surfacing of a critical software issue with all the context required to reach a resolution and deliver that context to the right engineer. With 20 years in the industry, to me, this technology is nothing short of amazing. But even more than that is the inspiration we get from our customers' reaction. Thank you.